Poppin' tails, always with a shopping bag. She go to Park Atlanta, but she always hopping fast. All-Star weekend, she be with a lobby, yeah. Looking for that shit. All she need is hockey pass. She just be scrambling, looking like a dirty clean. Tossing that box like shit, yeah. She be going, yeah, she be doing anything. That trap steady jumping off, she a trampoline.
Just remember that you talking to me though. You need to watch the way you talking to me though. I mean after all the things that we've been through. I mean after all the things we got into. Hey yo, I know some things that you ain't told me. Hey yo, I did some things, but that's the old me. And now you wanna get me back and you gon' show me. So you walk around like you don't know me. You got a new friend, well I got homies. But in the end it's still so lonely.
So I fall so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. First thing they gotta find me. What's really going to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Fall so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that those shit crazy. And as we go, I'm 82 when I look at you like this shit crazy. Fall so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even supposed to be here. Fall so hard since we here. It's only right that we be fair. Psycho, a lipo, to go Michael. Take the pick. Jackson, Tyson, Jordan, Game 6. Fall so hard, got a broke clock. Rollies that don't tick-tock. All the Mars that's losing time. Getting behind all these big rocks. Fall so hard, I'm shot too. I'm supposed to be locked up too. You escape, but I escape. You leave parents get fucked up too. Also hard, let's get faded. Live on these for like 6 days. Gold bottles, soul models, still in